I don't think I remember to ask you last time you were here what your name means. It's such a beautiful name.
Thank you. I'm an only child, so my mom named me Auli'i, and it means dainty, exquisite, and perfect.
Oh, well, that's a lot to live up to.
It is. I am currently trying to live up to that.
Yeah, no, I think you're doing pretty good.
Thank you.
Good. So, Rise, to me, when I read the description of this show, when I heard it was coming up, I thought, well, this is like Fame. Like when I was young, I used to watch Fame on TV, and I saw the movie Fame, and I was obsessed with it. Irene Cara was amazing to me, and this is kind of like a Fame for a new generation for me. But can you set it up for these guys?
Thank you. Well, I mean, if you were obsessed with Fame, I hope you become obsessed with Rise. Rise is really just focused on students and teachers and an entire working town that becomes galvanized by one teacher, Lou Mazzucchelli, and specifically the theater department. He wants to make a difference, and instead of putting on any other show, he puts on Spring Awakening and decides to wake everyone up. And for my character, Let's Suarez, she comes from humble beginnings. She grows up in a single-parent household, and I completely related to that. She's rising above her circumstances, so to speak.
And do you have any romance? Ralso and I were talking about, you're so close to your mom, we were talking about it must be awkward if your mom is like right over there, you know, and you have like dating drama. I mean, even if you're fake making out, you're still making out in front of your mom. That's so weird.
Yeah. No, it's so weird. It's so weird.
Is it more weird for you or her, you think?
Oh, it's so weird for her. It's so weird for her. I actually got to have like my first, kiss and stuff. And it's with Damon Gillespie, who plays Robbie in our show, and he's fantastic. He's so sweet, and my mom talked to him before, like the kiss scene, and I...
Oh, I bet she talked to him before.
Oh, she talked to him, and it was completely respectful. There was like no tongue, there was no... there was none
Because she talked to him before. So you're going to be Moana again, right? You're doing a reprise of Moana. Wreck-It Ralph series, right? The next one is Ralph Breaks the Internet.
Yes, Wreck-It Ralph 2.
Wreck-It Ralph 2, which is hilarious and very adult, and like John C. Reilly, I just adore, and Sarah Silverman. And I just, did you see the first one?
I did. I saw the first one, thank goodness, because I'm in the second one. And it's fun. It's really, really fun.
It's so fun, right? I mean, but it is cool to finally have a body to match the voice in real life.
That is true. Thank you.
Do you remember what I told you about my niece, Vivi? My niece was so obsessed with Moana, we were thrilled about her being very obsessed with her because she's such a positive role model. At 5 years old, she started living in the Moana costume. She's a little blonde child, and she had this giant Elvira-looking black wig. And she lived in the hula skirt. Even at the Christmas table wore her hula skirt, like her grass skirt.
I really sincerely hope you told her she is Moana.
Yeah, she really is. She is a warrior.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Warrior. I'm sure Vivi will love to see Rise, too. She's getting a little older now, so hopefully we could get her away from the wig and into watching Rise. Rise airs Tuesdays at 10 p.m. on NBC, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, darling. Nice to see you again. Grab a snack. Come on back.